Hello, my friends. I'm Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am here today to explain to you and to show you how exciting Flip It cards are. I designed Flip It card dies over 10 years ago now, probably closer to 14, and they are so much fun. They are my most favorite card design to make, and the best part about it is they're so easy and so versatile. Now, my most popular one out of all of them probably is our large circle Flip It. Now this Flip It is A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when it is folded, standard card size in the United States. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and then I'm going to show you a couple samples. Now, what you're going to do is when you get your package, you're going to look at the 3 largest dies in the set. The rest are just extras. The 3 largest dies in the set are the most important. And when you get your die, you are going to get some cardstock, and you're going to get a cutting pad, and you are going to die cut it. So we're going, oops, got an extra piece there. I'm going to trim down my cardstock. So this is how I trim down my cardstock because I am always about fast. So boom, there we go. Now we don't want to go perfectly straight in the machine. We want to go a little bit at an angle, just like that. And we're going to run it through the machine. Now, as long as your machine has a 6-inch opening, you can use it for the Flip It cards. Now, the die will cut it and score it at the same time, so it's so stinking easy, okay? There we go. We have our card base. I'm going to put that off to the side right now. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get the next 2 largest pieces. And I found some fun pattern paper that I want to use. And I'm going to get out, oh, actually I already got one out, some fun dots. I have the 2 layering pieces, and I'm going to lay these down. And I kind of want them to stay a little straight on here because I do have a pattern on my paper. So I want to make sure that they don't get a little too crooked. So I'm going to add some of our Better Than Washi tape to tape that down so it doesn't go crazy when it gets in the machine. We're going to line that up, and we're going to just line that up, and then we're going to run it through the die cut machine. Now let's see. Oh, let's use the bigger one. We're going to grab one of our cutting pads, our cutting folders, and we're going to lay that in, and we're just going to run that through. So now this is going to be the layering pieces. To make a Flip It, you really only need these 3 pieces. They're the most important ones. The rest is just, gravy on your mashed potatoes, right? So here we go, 1, 2, just that simple. Now, let's put this together. We have our card base. This is what it looks like. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and adhere our layering panels onto it. And I'm just going to get some adhesive. I'm going to just drop this down. You can use your favorite adhesive, whatever you like. And you'll notice that when I designed the die, I've done all the math and all the measuring for you. So this fits perfectly on this panel. Then I'm going to take this one and do the exact same thing. I'm just going to add some adhesive. And I'm going to lay this down on this side. Now, we're going to fold it next. I don't want to decorate the inside yet because I don't know which one's the front and which one's the inside. So we're going to wait, and we're going to hold this up in the air. Don't do it on your table. It won't work. You got to hold it up a little bit. And you want to have a big bottom, little top. We're going to fold it in half towards us so the corners line up. Then take that top flap and fold it on the score lines the die has already created for you. And then you're going to turn it to the left. The little side is always on the left, LL, little left, and look at this. We just made a Flip It card together. All you have to do is die cut 3 items and glue it together. That's how simple. Now, it does come with extra items. So now remember when I said don't decorate the center until you fold it to know which is the front and which is the back. I'm sorry, the inside. Boom, this is the front. So now what we can do is we can add extra pieces. Now this one actually came with some fun flowers. This die set has other add-ons that you could purchase separately. It has a lot of words like season's greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, has Happy Winter, Happy Spring, all these fun words. This one, oh, and I use my kangaroo pocket, so I store them on my big nice magnet. And then I have my kangaroo pocket for all these extra pieces. I had all of these ready to go. I didn't even have to die cut these because they're already done. But rest assured, my friends, all of these dies are in your set, so you don't have to worry about looking for other pieces. But I've done all of the measuring for you. Look at that. So now we can even add a little flower. This has adhesive on the back already. I've already die cut these, and I've added adhesive sticker sheet to the back. So I'm just going to lay that down, drop that in the center. Oh, let's lay another one on there. So we're gonna peel this up. Any extra pieces I don't use will just go right back into my kangaroo pocket for another time. Safe and sound. No, doesn't have to worry about getting messed up because it has that separate pocket. We're gonna lay this one down right there. And to finish this off, I have some little fun bumpy pearls. Ooh, that blue looks amazing. Let's drop that on there, right there in the center, and boom. That is how simple. Now on the inside, I can add another circle if I want to. I can stamp a sentiment, but look at how simple that is to make a flip it card. So easy peasy. Now, as I mentioned before, we have lots of different shapes and sizes and all that good stuff. So that was our large circle. Here we have this fun one. This is our charming. Look how cute that is. Comes with different insert dies. Then we have a small circle version. We probably have at least 10 to 15 different designs. So there's lots of options. Then, oh, we even have them in 5x7 and A1 size. So make sure you go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. There are so many fun flip-its in there. There's so many awesome other videos on there, but I just wanted to give you the basics on how to make a flip-it card because you know what? It is easy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.